Technical analysis says Bitcoin, Ethereum, it's going down. What could turn it around? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. You know how I do. I'm in the pot 5x5, staying alive in Dubai. Oh man, I'm going to be actually leaving in a few weeks. They're going to be going to Germany, so I'm going to be there for like 3 weeks. But I still will be doing a show, so be prepared for that. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to be traveling there and doing some videos on the road. So make sure you subscribe to my Instagram to see what's going on, right? And I will remind you once again when we're getting closer to that date. All right, with that said, we got some news for you, and we're also going to do some TA and see how we can trade this and look at our trade, which is going very well, our short trade, which is going very well right now, as of now. And yeah, let's do that. And if you're interested in trading, make sure you head over to bybit.davincij15.com, where you can get up to $30,000 in trading bonuses when you deposit a small amount of money. You're like, small? Yeah, well, there's a lot of people out there with $250,000. So yeah, you put it in, you get $30,000, and you can trade with that easily. All right, with that said, looking at Waffles. Waffles coin, I'm waiting for it to drop a little bit below to the 3, just 003, and then I'm going to be buying some more waffles. And yeah, if you guys want to watch this live, you can by heading over to davincij15.com. I do this live every day, Monday through Friday. So yeah, check it out. Okay, with that said, FTX plans full payback of all its creditors plus billions in compensation. What? Say what? It turns out, right? FTX plans to fully repay all its creditors' claims plus billions in compensation for the time value of their investment. Okay. With 98% slated to get up to 118% back only for those claiming under 50,000 or under, basically. Well, wow. Okay. Well, you know what? I was going to give up on that because usually that takes years, like 10 years before you get the money. I have like 20, I think like 20K into FTX. Maybe I should go ahead and claim that. I'll do that and see what happens. 2 Bitcoin L2 projects secure investment to enhance Bitcoin DeFi capabilities. Okay. On Tuesday, 2 Bitcoin-centric Layer 2 initiatives successfully secured funding from strategic investors. Botonix Labs, a startup focused on developing decentralized Turing-complete L2 EVM, garnered $11.5 million. Meanwhile, Bitcoin L2 ZKM attracted $5 million during a pre-seed investment phase. Wow. There it is, guys. You can see where the money is going to go to. And I've been telling you guys this, right? L2s, layer 2s, layer 2s, layer 2s, layer 2s, layer 2s, layer 2s. The writing's on the wall. So if you're not invested in layer 2, you're going to lose out, okay? This is an interesting project, AREON. This is a layer 1, which, just another EVM-based project, but hey, you know what? It's got a low market cap, and although it's not a layer 2, it can act like one because you can actually just use your MetaMask wallet to actually access this network. I'm going to be just researching, and I'll let you guys know if it's a good buy. All right, Nigeria to ban peer-to-peer crypto trading in Naira. Okay, yeah, they're saying, oh, this is just manipulation of our currency, but why don't you just stop printing money? That's simple as that. So that's the problem. You know what? You need crypto because governments do this. Governments will get nasty eventually, whether it be United States government, the European government. I hope you have access to crypto now, and friends and family members that people and trust that you could trade crypto peer-to-peer with, because when the doors close, wherever you are, it's too late. It's right? You will be stuck in your fiat currency that they're printing and enslaving you with. Okay, this is amazing. This might turn things around. Bitcoin ETF GRAYSCALE GBTC records 380 million inflows in 2 consecutive days. What the? Yes, GBTC is making a remarkable turnaround from its 17.5 billion outflow streak. Wow. Jesus, that's a lot of money. But it's finally turning around. According to data provided by Farside Investors, GBTC, which stands tall as the world's largest spot Bitcoin ETF, saw 3.9 million in inflows on May 6th. Wow. Well, that means things have turned around. People are buying, but it's not reflecting in the price right here, right? Bitcoin does not look like it wants to turn higher here. We're actually in the short. If you shorted up here, right? You keep, like, if you got stopped out and then re-entered your short up here, right? So let's remove that trade, and you entered like pretty much anywhere in this area, right? After this horrible wick out, and then you just decided to go, okay, well, I'll just try again. That's just the way it is. You can take this all the way down to, like, you just start with a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, right? Once it gets down here, you could say, okay, well, you know what? I will move my stops to break even or the halfway point. Because once we start breaking down, if we break down heavily, we can end up all the way at 52, but make sure that you don't turn a winning trade once we get down to 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio into a losing trade, because here there is support here at this level, at the $60,000 level. So yeah, please be advised. Okay, looking at Ethereum, this Ethereum trade still playing out as planned. Everything looks exactly as it should on Ethereum, that we are headed down to the target, which is the $2,400 level. And I would stick with that plan if I were you. You can probably move your stops a little bit lower, right? All the way down to this level here, which is the 32.23 area. And so then you have a 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So yeah, there you go. Easy peasy, right? And yeah, and that's it. If you're interested in doing this trade, you can do so at bybit.davincij15.com or 2bit.davincij15.com or even coinw.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. All right, with that said, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I will see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.